In this video talk about how to install Python, how to run first program in CMD. Hello guys, welcome to Programming with Ravi. Please do subscribe, like and bell icon. Let's go.
How to download Python? Go to browser, type the python.org, enter. Download directly or go to website. The latest version of Python is 3.12.4. Download it and close it. Search bar, type the CMD, click it, type Python, enter. The latest version of Python is downloaded in your desktop. How to set copy path? Go to search bar, type the IDLE, go to the open file location, double click it, copy as a path, close it. Go to search bar, type the environment, click it, environment variables, and edit, new, paste it, click it, edit, click the path, OK, click. Go to search bar, type the CMD, click it, type the Python. Path is selected.
How to run first program in CMD.
To search bar, type the CMD, type the Python, click it. Suppose print, open curly brace, double equal to hello Python, double equal to close, enter. The output will get hello Python. I assign to the some values, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 16. I print x plus y, close, enter. 10 plus 16 is equal to 26. Suppose I addition 20 plus 20, 40.
Thank you for watching. You want to get more information about course, follow my YouTube channel.